top Vatican official says practically the whole of Christianity is coming together in unity. Despite some new tensions, practically the whole of Christianity is in a process of advancing beyond the controversies and competition of the past toward greater understanding, trust, and solidarity, said Bishop Brian Farrell, Secretary of the Pontifical Council for Promoting Christian Unity. It is so sad to see how God's people have turned away from the Lord and are embracing that mother of harlots in this ecumenical movement. And all for the sake of what? Peace and safety? But what did the Lord say would happen to those who seek peace and safety instead of truth? Sudden destruction. See 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 3. Notice the bishop says that Christians are now advancing beyond the past controversies and are now embracing unity. Oh, how deluded the professed Christian world is today. See 2 Thessalonians 2 verse 11. The Protestant Reformation was a movement of truth from God. We must not forget the past, but embrace it. Jeremiah 6 verses 16 through 19.
Thus saith the Lord, stand ye in the ways, and see, and ask for the old paths, where is the good way, and walk therein, and ye shall find rest for your souls. But they said, we will not walk therein. Also I set watchmen over you, saying, hearken to the sound of the trumpet. But they said, we will not hearken. Therefore hear, ye nations, and know, O congregation, what is among them. Hear, O earth. Behold, I will bring evil upon this people.
After a long and severe conflict, the faithful few decided to dissolve all union with the apostate church if she still refused to free herself from falsehood and idolatry. They saw that separation was an absolute necessity if they would obey the word of God. They dared not tolerate errors fatal to their own souls. If unity could be secured only by the compromise of truth and righteousness, then let there be difference, and even war. Well would it be for the church and the world if the principles that actuated those steadfast souls were revived in the hearts of God's professed people. There is an alarming indifference in regard to the doctrines which are the pillars of the Christian faith. The opinion is gaining ground that, after all, these are not of vital importance. This degeneracy is strengthening the hands of the agents of Satan, so that false theories and fatal delusions which the faithful in ages past imperiled their lives to resist and expose, are now regarded with favor by thousands who claim to be followers of Christ.
Every year an ecumenical meeting is held with the Pope, called the Conference of Secretaries of Christian World Communion, and the list of participants is staggering. The Anglican Church, World Baptist Alliance, the Orthodox Church, Seventh-day Adventist Church, yes, the Seventh-day Adventist Church, the World Lutheran Church, the Mennonite World Conference, the Moravian Church Worldwide, Pentecostals, the Salvation Army, the Quakers, the World Churches of Christ, the World Evangelical Alliance, the World Methodist Church, and the World Council of Churches. These are all coming together to promote unity with Babylon.
Heed the warning. Come out of her, my people. Please see our page, Come Out of Her, My People. It will be in the description below. I also made a video on this. This will also be in the description. Thank you for listening. God bless. Please subscribe to our main YouTube channel, End-Times-Prophecy. Hit subscribe and hit the bell notification button. Also, check out our backup YouTube channel, hit subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. On our main YouTube channel, we have a link to our website. It has very, very vital information, end times news updates, mass animal deaths, health news, health message. So stay up to date on this information. It's very important. Amazing Bible truths. Please, please, these are very, very important. Please go through these and read these. Also, check out our Facebook page. It has a lot of important information, and we post on there a lot. So make sure to check that out. Thank you for listening. God bless. God bless. God bless. Thank you for watching. I pray this message has opened your eyes. Please make sure to read the links in the description and check out these amazing Bible truth videos. For more amazing Bible truth / Bible studies, go to end-times-prophecy.org. The links will be in the description below. God bless.